Everybody, welcome back to the channel. The futures market are currently up right now. In today's video, we're going to talk about two stocks that y'all should be keeping in your watch list for today. And I'm going to be answering some of you guys' questions for those of y'all who dropped the stocks of interest in the comment section of last night's video, along with an update on the few stocks right after the intro. Alright, y'all, before we begin again, do not forget to annihilate the like button on your way in, and also don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. Alright, so let's begin. So we got the SPY right now is up by roughly 0.30%, which is a good sign. I told y'all yesterday that I was expecting the SPY to get up to 470. By the way, it's currently like 812 right now. It's like 18 minutes before the market opens, but I got home a little late, so it's okay. I think we're gonna go over here in this region. All right, and also keep in mind, don't be too greedy if you're holding calls, because market makers might want to throw you a curveball. Again, I put out the idea of this dead cat bounce, right? And nobody knows when it's gonna come. Well, not nobody knows, but just be aware of it. Be aware of it. It could be today. It could not be today. All right. We could just go straight up to 16,400. We could just go straight up there, and this line right there could be averted completely. But I'm not gonna ignore it, and it's not the time to just like relax and like ignore what's going on in the front of you and think everything is going to be fine. Like no, I want y'all to actually pay attention to like what's happening in the front of you. So be careful today. Take gains, obviously, if you have calls, and watch out. Now, the first stock that we're gonna talk about is actually APX. All right, now APX is looking quite decent. It's looking decent. I like it. I like it enough to share it in this video. As y'all can see, let's look at the daily. Yeah, the daily, a little bit on the dip, right? It's not too overvalued. Long-term investors love this. So this is American Express. On the daily chart, there is a double bottom over here. The second bottom, not as low as the first bottom, but that's okay. And also, if you look on the 1 hour, there's actually like a flag right there. It's not, well, it's there. It's there. It's right there, right over here. Okay, it broke out yesterday, and right now it's about to open up at 163. There could be an opportunity for a long, so definitely watch this one for a move up to 167 today. It's looking decent. It's looking decent. I like it. So that's the first one. Now the second one that y'all should be keeping in your watch list. I actually shared this one with y'all. No, actually I didn't. I talked about it in the previous video as a question that somebody mentioned, but right now it's been doing decent. It's been doing okay, and it's BA. And in regards to BA, I told y'all that yesterday was going to be like a chill day, not so wild, where we kind of consolidate, and then the next day, which is today, Thursday, we want to make a move all the way up to like 205, maybe even 206 before it starts to chill. All right, the double bottom is still in play right there, and they're constantly putting out news about BA, about their jets being ordered by other companies. So there may be an opportunity over here as well. Definitely keep those on your watch list. Now, in regards to cyber, let's take a look at cyber really quick. In regards to cyber is doing its thing. It's not looking. Oh, actually, it's not even open yet. It's not showing any candles today. We'll see. This is looking okay as far as I'm concerned. It's still clean. But we need to see a candle to see what's going on. The next one is AbbVie. And AbbVie is still opening up at the same exact price, which not too scary, not too bad though. It's not bad. It's at the same exact price. So what you really want to see is just a massive spike. It's just a huge spike to go right to 133. That's what longs want to see before we see a parabolic move. If that doesn't happen, apply caution. I'm just gonna say that. Apply caution because it is at all-time highs. And if you go all the way up to like the daily and you zoom out and you go all the way to the left, you can see that the previous highs was right over here. Right there at around like, let's see here, at around 125-ish. So if it starts to rolling over, I will be tempted to go short. But right now, I'm just seeing this as a long, because it is still clean. Like there is no reason for me to short at the open. Like that's not very wise. So be very, very careful. Watch it. Obviously, this is a day trading opportunity. Don't just buy it at the open. It's not smart. Just don't watch and see what it does. Watch and see what it does. All right. I think it's gonna go up to the 134, and that's my very honest opinion. The next one that we're going to discuss, that stock is a stock that I've mentioned in the past. That stock is Etsy. Regarding, oh my god, perfect. All right, regarding Etsy, it's looking decent right now. If you bought contracts with a lot of time on it when I made that video, then you should be like breaking even. Your money hasn't moved at all throughout like the past 6 days since I last mentioned it. I last made that video over here at the end of this day, and then they dropped and then just went sideways. But where is this thing going to go? It's just taking a sweet time. I hate it when stock consolidates like that because nobody wins. Like the contracts just lose value in theta, and it's no fun, right? And you losing your money. It's not really fun. So when you buy contracts, especially on these type of stocks, make sure that you give some time on them because they could do this. I don't know how long it's gonna go like that. It could form another doji over here today, right? And just piss everybody off and just go and just stay between 230 and 215 for a long time. All right, so I don't like it. I think I want to see just a better structure, something. I want to see more volume also at the bottom. I don't like the consolidation phase. Don't like that. So that's my very honest opinion of it. Long-term investors, if you're buying stock, again, do your thing. It's right here at these lows. Sure, if you want to buy stocks and if you want to buy leaps, do your thing. I'm looking for a place that will pay me like in the short term. So that's my very honest opinion on the stock. I'm not in that seat. Unless it does something like interesting, I'm not gonna look at it. So maybe like set your alert at like 230 or something. Now the next one that we're gonna talk about in this video, that stock is Twitter. Somebody asked about Twitter in the comments. Now in regards to Twitter, it got crushed. Twitter got demolished for a very, very long time. And is this a buying opportunity? I would say so. Long-term investors can like buy these bottoms over here. It kind of has the same structure as BA. It's looking similar to BA. BA's performing obviously better, but in regards to Twitter, if you want to buy stock long term at these levels, I wouldn't blame you. Personally, the volume is low, and there is some news on it, but there's just other plays that are better, that look better at least in my eyes. So I'm gonna have to pass on Twitter. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pass on Twitter unless we see a giant increase in volume that's actually noticeable at the bottom over here, because everything is just super low. Something along this height at like 9 or 10 million would be interesting, but for now it's just I don't have any high expectations of it at all whatsoever. So now the next one and the last one that we're going to talk about in this video, that stock is BABA. It's been a while since we've talked about BABA, and right now it's just not following with the market movements. The market was bouncing and doing all of these wonderful things, paying us, and BABA is just staying flat, right? This is not, nobody wins over here. Shorts are losing, longs are losing. This is not okay. I'm not trading BABA at all. I'm just patiently waiting to see something nice on BABA. Kind of like what I'm doing with Etsy. I'm just waiting until the stock decides to actually go somewhere and starts moving. until we see some type of like participation from traders in here, from investors, then I'm not too anxious to get on BABA right now. Yes, it is at a tremendous discount, but then again, I told y'all we are option traders. If you trade stock, again, if you want to trade stock, go buy stock. Like if you want to do that, you should. At these levels, yeah, you definitely should buy stock. But I'm very very patient on it, and I'm not in a rush. Right, and that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, helps the channel a lot and allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are brand new to the channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on future uploads. If you would like to be part of a private Discord community, you can find that as the very first link in the description of the video below. Also, if you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul and Guma and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter. And lastly, if all of this is brand new to you, if you're interested in getting started in the stock market, we'll have some very basic step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get signed up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 right after you sign up with Webull, like right here, right after you set up Webull using the third link in the description of the video below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Guma with PATTERNOLOGY LAB, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video, right? Enjoy the outro.